I reached out to LRE because I had trouble with my driveway. There were sections of my driveway that had some erosion underneath it, so it was beginning to crack and have an uneven surface that was not only unsightly, but it was potentially dangerous. I do a lot of extensive research on any decision I make, probably too much. The biggest reason why I chose LRE was their footprint, the longevity, the reviews, and then more than anything, number one, it was people. You know, when you think of concrete, you might think of like rough and tumble guys. These guys knew what they were doing, but they were highly professional, very polished, very well-mannered. I felt highly confident in what they were about to do and then ultimately the finished product. If you choose LRE, I can assure you based on my experience, it's going to be a good product, the job is going to be done well, and you're going to have great peace of mind in knowing that something as important as foundation and concrete repair is done properly.